Sorry guys, my camera has been cut off because I forgot. Let's go try with the wasabi. I never seen the wasabi. Let's go stay with this pink sauce. I also the spicy mayo on this one. This one can work. Can't that work? You see, I got air conditioner just. Let's go get extra sauce. I think the favorite one, I think we get the spicy mayo. Wait, not honey mustard. Wait, I never tried honey mustard. I think first I'll go get the blueberry pie. Then the drinks I'll get. Blueberry. We chop chicken. There's no blueberry there. Okay, we're almost done. Yoink. I will be back, guys. I'm back. I'm so sorry I had to end this video. Bye.